best e-commerce website for your business. So in this video, we are going to talk about which is the best e-commerce website and what are the tips which you can implement in your e-commerce existing website and can generate more sales from earlier. So let's begin. So let's firstly discuss about the pages which you should include in your e-commerce store. Let's talk about the home page. Home page is the most important page for an e-commerce website. It is also known as the landing page, where for the very first time customer lands and see your business as a brand. It should always include all the categories of your product, the best selling products, about a short description of your firm, a great call to action, a great copy, and some high quality images so that you can directly convert that visitor into your customer. So if you are looking for an e-commerce website developer, you can directly approach me for your websites on my Instagram. The link of my Instagram is in description. The second most important page is the shopping page, which should be well optimized according to the top filters. Top filters needs to be added there based on the categories, based on the price, based on the reviews. So that if any customer wants to see for any kind of product, she can directly pick according to the filters, and it should be looking up well so that they don't find any kind of problem while finding a particular product. Our third most important page is privacy policy page, where you should list down all the privacy policy for your customer so that they will gonna know like what you're gonna do with their privacy and identity. The fourth important page is return and refund page, where you should mention all the policies which you have crafted for the return so that if any of your customer wants to return your product, they know what they have to do. Fifth important page is about page / contact page. I really recommend all of the e-commerce store owners to include both of these pages in one page. Why? To increase the space of the website. What you have to do is create a about page, include all your about information there, along with a contact info and contact form, along with a Google map below, so that your customer will know how they can contact you. So it's all done with the pages. Let's move to the design. Your website should contain a very beautiful design. I really suggest you to go ahead with the premium design templates because it's about your e-commerce store. It's about your business. So you have to spend something on the appearance of the website. I really suggest you to go ahead with the theme forest themes because they are the literally amazing top-notch themes according to the best standards and the modern way. So what you have to do is go to theme forest, pick any kind of a premium theme according to your niche and just apply over there, because a great theme will gonna directly convert a visitor into your customer. So after talking about the appearance and the design of the website, let's talk about another most important aspect, which is the functionality. Your website needs to be easily guidable. The menu icon, the navigation menu needs to be placed well so that if your visitor wants to get redirected into any of the pages, they can directly and easily redirect. And if they want to test or see any kind of functions of your website, like comparison function, like review function, it needs to be well coded, shown to the customer so that they don't feel any kind of problem during that. Fourth aspect for your e-commerce website is the overall speed. According to the Google, your website speed needs to be below 1.5 seconds so that it can be ranked easily on Google, and also it will be easy for the customer because any customer wants to wait for website to load around 5 to 6 or 13 seconds to just load up there and see purchase product. Customer get redirect to another page within around 2 or 3 seconds. So focus on the speed of your website so that you can trap your visitor within a quick second with the high quality speed. For the speed, I suggest you to use some kind of plugins like Lightspeed, Cache for the WooCommerce, or you can use Shopify. There are so many applications which you can use in the Shopify. Wix itself is super fast, and you can also use some plugins also. And the bonus tip for the speed optimization is upgrading to your better hosting plan. It will also gonna help because bigger the hosting plan, the higher the space, the higher the speed of the hosting is. So these are the some most important components for your e-commerce website which you should consider while developing or while getting started with your e-commerce. So I hope you like these tips. If yeah, so let me know in the comment box. If you have any kind of queries related to your e-commerce store, you can DM me on my Instagram.